This is the Velodyne vx-10b powered subwoofer. This is the 10-inch subwoofer. Take that screen off real quick. I really enjoyed this one. The Velodyne VX series. It's gonna be the vx-10b. I rate this at a 9, definitely, for the size. It puts out some really smooth, deep bass. I can't really play it to justify the sound because the audio comes out differently from here, but just wanted to do a quick review on it to show what it had as far as its features. You have your volume subwoofer control, and then your low pass crossover. It actually goes from 50 hertz to 200 hertz. 50 hertz for that smooth bass, and then you got your input levels and your speaker. You got your high level and low level inputs. It's real basic. This is highly rated through the internet. This one was actually made back in 2002, and we're already 2020, so it's 18 years old, and it's already surpassed the time of its life, and it's still doing great. So I definitely recommend this small 10-inch subwoofer for your surround sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.